Who's this random dude who showed up in the shop?
Oh no, we got a new guy.
Yeah, this is the new guy.
We got a new guy. Okay, everybody. Short week this week, so we gotta make up for some lost time. We're gonna have like a short week, big Thanksgiving lunch on Wednesday.
Oh yeah!
And then you guys will likely be not worth much after lunch on Wednesday, if I had to guess. All right, so what we're doing today is because we don't really have enough hands, there's no reason for us to try to get the Lancer painted. What we're gonna do is let David keep on striping, and then we're gonna get the RV7 buffed. So you guys will be buffing the RV7. Noah, you're gonna be fixing parts on the PC9. Nathan, you're with Tommy B today. Dave's striping, and Eric's with me. We're gonna throw him in wherever we can. So Noah cut his hair off.
Yes.
Like a kid again.
I'm only 24.
You're only 24?
Oh God, I don't like that. Hold on, no.
I'm just playing.
I'm not like 35, like not Billy. First up.
All right, so big day today. Joe is gonna pick up the RV10. He's flying it out of here. The weather is perfect today. It's gonna start raining tomorrow. So luckily, he got a little bit of a window, and he's gonna get this airplane out of here and get it home. We can't wait to see it in the air. I think we're gonna take some pictures of it, do some videos. Should be a good day. Always a good day when we get an airplane out of here.
It's literally like the perfect day to fly out.
It is perfect. It is perfect.
Get epic B-roll of the gas truck.
I think the gas truck's pretty cool.
All right, so we've got the Lancer. We're ready to roll it into the booth. The body shop has done a phenomenal job. The body shop are definitely the unsung heroes, the beating heart of Evoke Aviation, because it's one thing to put a really nice paint job on something, but the body and the airplane that you're putting that, wait a second.
The canvas, as it
The
were.
canvas, the actual airplane itself, the bodywork's got to be perfect to wear that Evoke paint job. So they've blocked this thing 3 times. They've fixed every single pinhole, every little bit of an imperfection on this thing. So at the heart of every Evoke paint job is the body shop, the unsung heroes. These guys stand for 8 hours a day. They make things perfect, and they make it so that when we put the paint on top, the airplane looks absolutely perfect, and this Lancer is no exception. So we're gonna roll it in there, get it pulled back apart, and scuff it down, seal it, base it, get it ready for the layout for the next step. So thanks to the body shop guys. Those guys are, they're troopers. They do a lot of awesome work over there.
Good morning.
How you doing, man?
Pretty good. I found the rain.
Yeah.
Rainy day today. Everybody's split up into different hangars, different projects, and everybody knows where they're going. So we're getting a good start on a rainy day, and tomorrow, feast.
Turkey day.
Turkey day. All right, you guys, you're up there buffing. David, striping. Noah, getting this airplane ready. Jason, Eric, keep doing what you're doing. Evoke on 3. 1, 2, 3. Evoke.
Do a backflip.
Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Yeah.
Yeah, Jet.
Get in there, boy.
Y'all still here buffing, huh?
Oh yeah, definitely. We almost got it knocked out. The fuse was the last piece to the airplane itself. So now we are about to start on all the parts over there, all the flight controls, cowlings, canopy. Everything for this plane is getting buffed. So we should maybe have 2-3 more days left on it.
Oh yeah. Y'all killing it.
Thank you.
Morning, Scotty. Probably no meeting today.
Yeah, I was gonna ask how much work you think's gonna get done today.
We're gonna get a lot of work done before lunch, and then after lunch, it's gonna be a little tough. Yeah.
I want to be less miserable now, and then get all the stuff I can done, and then after lunch, like hold my belly and take a nap.
Yeah, we're gonna be very productive today for the first 3-4 hours. All right, so here's the challenge. We got a repair that we had to make on the top cowling on this RV14. They get really hot next to the oil door, so a lot of times they'll start to pop or peel or something, but we found some, kind of some bad primer under the work we'd done. So we took all that off and removed it. The challenge on this airplane is that the yellow has a custom flake on top of it. So basically what I'm doing now is I'm painting a piece and adding more and more flake until I get the right amount to match the lower cowling. The only alternative to that is that we've actually got to take this cowling and blend it into the top cowling, or blend in this rear section of the fuselage, or both actually. So ideally we can do this without having to do a blend and a much bigger repair, but yeah, we're gonna try to keep it small and limited as best we can. You're gonna hear it.
I'm done filming airplanes. This is what I want to film.
They sent us a card. Look, I had to sign for this package.
They call me Mrs.
Ooh.
They had some wine with the turkey.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Shouts out us.
That's really sweet. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here too. That's not even it.
Oh my gosh.
This is the first Evoke vlog unboxing.
Yeah, alright guys. First we've got sparkling white Pinot Noir.
That's not how that's pronounced.
That's really cool. We have the coolest customers. If we don't say it,
It's a nice box.
Oh my, wait. Yeah, fresh fruit. That was awesome.
It's more better than apples.
Dude, yo!
honestly, if anybody wants to fight me over whether we have the best customers or not, I'll fight them. 100% I'll fight them. Just because we do have the best customers. We wish a happy Thanksgiving to the whole Evoke team, and we thank you all for making ours great. Lady Leela sends hi. Next week she will be heading to Nassau to show off her new colors. Heart, Fabia, and Esteban.
Yeah.
Pretty apple.
So nice.
I'm gonna eat that. Oh, wow. Well, I'm not getting work done. I just hope you're aware of that.
I'm speechless. I'm gonna sit here and make sure that nobody eats the turkey before lunch.
I've literally already ate some, so good luck with that.
Nobody else, all right. Above anything else, I'm thankful for this place and that's brought us all together, and that we've got, this really pretty incredible group of wild, unique batch of different personalities that have turned into something pretty incredible. I mean, we've out of this room right here, we've got the best reputation in the industry, period. And that's pretty cool. That's something to be thankful for. Those days where we're tired, it's hard to be thankful for it, but I'm thankful that we've got the work. I'm thankful we're not looking for work. I'm thankful we've got a place to come to every day. We don't have to worry about what we're doing. Our customers above all have been great. We even had one send us a gift today, which was cool. If we may have to distribute, everybody gets a little slice of sausage or something out of that. Maybe a shot of champagne on the way out or some shit. Anyways, thank you guys. Holiday season, just remember it's not always about the food, it's about the fellowship and the people you've got around you. And I spend a lot more time around you guys than I do my own family, other than David, because I do younger.
What What you got, Billy?
The deliciousness of the oat milk cream pie cheesecake.
I bet your oatmeal cream. Oh, I'm in danger, brother. I joked earlier and said I was going to be useless today. Beyond useless. Beyond useless.
All right, everybody, it is Friday morning. We are back from our Thanksgiving break, and we've got one more day to get a little bit done before the weekends, and then, yeah, we're just gonna hit the ground running today. So everybody got here early. We got a fresh start on it. Everybody is full of turkey and ready to work. So we've got the Lancer in the booth. They're working on the final details to get that one ready to punch in. We've got the RV7 in final buffing and prepping stages. And so, yeah, we're just gonna try to make the most of this awesome day we've got here Friday morning, getting started. You guys know we got the airplane sealed and a coat of base on it. So with these Lancers, typically they're gonna be full of pinholes. So even though the body shop has gone over this airplane 2 to 3 times, blocking it, priming it, finding a lot of stuff, when we get the white on here, it shows up any of those little micro pinholes that might have made it through that process. And so what we're doing now is going around, and every one of these pieces of orange tape is just a little bit of a micro pinhole or maybe a little bit of a sand scratch or something. So we're going around, filling all that stuff now, fixing all the final little things, and then we'll go back and finish punching in our base coat. So we'll get all the base on there after this. So, yep, that's what we're doing now. All those last little details are what makes the difference here. All right, guys, thank you for watching the video. We are so thankful for you that have subscribed and come back to keep watching what's going on here at Evoke Aviation. We appreciate every one of you. We had a great Thanksgiving week this week. We still got a lot of work done. We got some airplanes almost finished. We've got that RV7 buffed, ready to assemble. We've got the Lancer. It is getting painted right now as we speak. So a really good week. We had a great meal, and we are just so thankful for you guys. So please like, subscribe, comment, share. All of that helps. It keeps us motivated and going to create awesome content for you guys and keep showing you a little bit of Evoke behind the schemes. We'll see you next time.